Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through how to earn money and complete the Crypto Miner Tycoon offer as efficiently as possible. To begin, let's clear up any confusion. Crypto Miner Tycoon is a different game from Bitcoin Miner. Although both revolve around crypto and mining, they operate quite differently. Crypto Miner Tycoon is a classic idle simulator. The objective is to build a fully automated crypto mining empire where income continues to grow even when you're not actively playing. The gameplay is centered around traditional idle mechanics, such as purchasing miners, upgrading them, unlocking automation, and gaining long-term advantages through resets known as prestiges. Progress in this game doesn't rely on tapping quickly or constant activity. It's about strategy, making wise purchases, and knowing when to reset your progress for faster growth. At the start of the game, you begin with a single, basic miner. Your earnings are minimal at first, and tapping the screen repeatedly is necessary to generate your first bits of cryptocurrency. While this beginning stage feels slow, it's the essential foundation for your mining empire. Use the early income from tapping to purchase additional miners. As you add more, your passive income increases, allowing you to earn money even without tapping, although tapping still helps initially. Continue adding miners until your earnings become more consistent. Once you have a few miners running, make sure to upgrade them. Each miner can be upgraded several times, increasing both their earning potential and operating speed. While buying new miners helps with expansion, upgrading them significantly boosts your income flow. As you continue, you'll notice a pattern. The game progresses slowly at first, then speeds up as you add and upgrade miners, eventually slowing down again. This is part of the idle loop. At this stage, aim to reach key milestones. One of the most important early goals is obtaining 50 of each miner type. Every time you collect 50 of a specific miner, the game awards a bonus multiplier that permanently increases that miner's efficiency. These bonuses can greatly enhance your income, so always work toward reaching the 50-unit milestone for each type as early as possible. After hitting several of these milestones, the next step is unlocking automation. In idle games, automation is crucial. It allows your miners to continue working without tapping and even when the game is closed. Once activated, automation removes the need for constant manual input, giving you the freedom to focus on strategy, upgrades, and scaling your empire. To unlock automation, you'll need to progress further and gather enough in-game currency. With automation in place, the game becomes much more efficient, and income will start to rise independently, allowing you to focus on expansion. To progress quickly, reinvestment is key. Don't let earnings sit idle. Every bit of currency should be put back into buying new miners or upgrading existing ones. Idle games reward continuous reinvestment. The faster you spend wisely, the faster your income grows and the sooner new upgrades become available. As your mining operation expands, you'll occasionally notice treasure chests appear. These represent investors who are vital for long-term advancement. Collecting investors and choosing to prestige resets your progress in exchange for a permanent income multiplier, which is based on how many investors you've gathered. Prestiging resets your miners, money, and upgrades, but gives you a powerful advantage for future runs, essentially starting fresh with a strong head start. The more frequently you prestige and the more investors you collect beforehand, the faster you'll progress each time. Here's a useful tip. Always watch the ad before claiming investors. Doing so gives you a 25% bonus, which adds up significantly over time. Knowing when to prestige is also important. If you notice your progress stalling, if it takes longer to unlock new miners or upgrades are getting too expensive, it's probably a good moment to reset. Take the investor bonus and start again. You'll catch up to your previous level much faster with the boost. As you continue advancing, you'll begin earning purple Bitcoin tokens. These can be used to acquire mega tokens, which significantly boost the income of a specific type of miner. Always prioritize using mega tokens on your most expensive miners first, as they offer the highest returns. Once those are maxed out, start enhancing the lower tier miners. This approach ensures you're getting the best value from your tokens. Eventually, you'll unlock gold tokens, a premium currency that should be used strategically. The most efficient use of gold tokens is on time warps, which provide a full day's worth of income instantly. Time warps are incredibly helpful when progress is slow or when trying to unlock something expensive. While other gold shop items may look appealing, time warps deliver the best return. As your empire continues to grow, managers will become available. These are valuable assets that automate specific tasks and provide powerful bonuses. The first manager to prioritize is Colin Harvey, who reduces the cost of miners by 10%. This discount may seem small at first, but leads to substantial savings over time. After Colin, the next goal should be unlocking Ashley Nelson. Ashley allows for bulk purchasing of upgrades and investors, greatly improving your efficiency, especially when managing multiple miners. Before hiring her, try to collect around 1 trillion investors to fully benefit from her features and avoid repetitive actions. When progress begins to slow again, you have 2 effective options. You can prestige once more, which resets progress while providing an even larger permanent boost, or simply let the game run passively in the background. Idle games are built to keep working even while you're away, so if you leave the app for a few hours or overnight, you'll return to a significant income gain. Be sure to watch the ad upon returning to double your offline earnings. It's a small action that yields a big reward. Continue this cycle. Upgrade regularly, reinvest earnings, prestige at the right time, use mega tokens efficiently, and reserve gold tokens for time warps. Keep your miners and managers optimized at all times. Eventually, you'll unlock the final manager, Jeremy Palmer. Hiring him signifies the completion of the main game progression and marks the end of the Crypto Miner Tycoon offer. By following this strategy, focusing on automation, upgrades, reinvestment, and smart prestiges, you'll be able to complete the entire offer effectively. Thanks for watching and good luck growing your crypto empire.